Welcome to Kiddo English Hub educational channel.
Sentences start with I am.
I am eating.
I am eating.
I am drinking.
I am drinking.
I am playing.
I am playing.
I am reading.
I am reading.
I am dancing.
I am dancing.
I am running.
I am running.
I am jumping.
I am jumping.
I am going to school.
I am going to school.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am washing my hands.
I am washing my hands.
I am combing my hair.
I am combing my hair.
I am taking a bath.
I am taking a bath.
I am wearing my shoes.
I am wearing my shoes.
I am opening the door.
I am opening the door.
I am closing the door.
I am closing the door.
I am cleaning my room.
I am cleaning my room.
I am watching TV.
I am watching TV.
I am helping my mom.
I am helping my mom.
I am playing with my toys.
I am playing with my toys.
I am going to sleep.
I am going to sleep.
I am waking up.
I am waking up.
I am making my bed.
I am making my bed.
I am packing my bag.
I am packing my bag.
I am feeding the cat.
I am feeding the cat.
I am petting the dog.
I am petting the dog.
I am picking flowers.
I am picking flowers.
I am watering the plants.
I am watering the plants.
I am eating ice cream.
I am eating ice cream.
I am drawing a house.
I am drawing a house.
I am playing with my friends.
I am playing with my friends.
I am drinking milk.
I am drinking milk.
I am tying my shoelaces.
I am tying my shoelaces.
I am doing my homework.
I am doing my homework.
I am listening to a story.
I am listening to a story.
I am playing a game.
I am playing a game.
I am saying goodbye.
I am saying goodbye.